So this will be on my members channel because of all this rap music blaring away. And the corner bar, I think it's called the corner bar. Bar, sure I have. Vikings, okay, thank you. I'm in the Vikings Bar. It's only about 11:45, it's red hot. So I've made myself a shandy with a Sprite and a Leo. Just gonna sit, listen to a bit of music and chill. So I'm enjoying it here in Udon, it's nice, apart from the heat. Terrible. 2 more nights. I went round the beer bars last night. Not overly busy, but good enough for what you need. Friendly people. Not one person all night when I sat at the bars asked me to buy them a drink. Never, honestly, that's serious, not one asked. I offered, the lady was sat. But what I also did as well, sometimes I sat down at the table with 3 girls, and obviously I'm not going to buy all 3 a drink, or I felt it was a bit unfair when they was all talking to me just to pick one out. So what I said to them is, when I go, I give you 50 baht each. So it had been the same as me buying 1 lady drink, but I got the value in talking out of 3 girls for the same price. Now I don't know, perhaps in Phuket, Pattaya, they might not have bought that. Maybe, I don't know. But they're a bit more laid back, and more chilled here, and no one hassles you. So tonight, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe, it's that noisy that, isn't it? Maybe go down to Udon Town and have a look how the Thai people go out at night time and see what it's like down there, and maybe keep away from the beer bars for tonight. I don't know. But then tomorrow night will be my last night, and I don't want to go out then and get drunk the night before I'm taking a flight. So it might be worthwhile going out around the beer bars tonight, and on my last night taking it easy. I think that's the idea. Take it easy and go and just do a bit of touristy stuff around the market and Udon Town, and not really have much beer. Because I'm not going to be like I was travelling up from Pattaya to Bangkok and flying to Khon Kaen. I'm not going to do that again feeling rough, no way. Anyway, another little members update. I've still got loads and loads of footage to edit. It'll take me forever, but I'll do it, possibly most of it, when I get back to England. No time in here. So once again, thanks for being a member. So much appreciated. Helps to go towards these trips, and I hope the stuff that's on there is alright. It's only a pack. It's a price of a beer a month, and you can cancel any time you want. So until, I've got to try and make this last 4 minutes. I've got another 20 seconds to talk. So until, I'll do this slowly, until whenever and wherever, over and out.